Good morning, students. Today I'll teach you English subject, okay? So last class we discussed Unit 1 poem. So today we'll be discussing story, okay? The name of the story is Flying Together, okay? So let's see the picture now. So now can you see the picture, students? Okay, we can see the picture here. The tree and the bird. The name of the bird is, okay? The flock is. Okay, so now let's listen the summary. Okay, Flying Together is a story that is about a flock of geese and how they manage to escape a hunter together. Okay, it revolves around a white goose and how it managed to help them escape. Okay, so further it will also help the student realize about teamwork and effort. Okay, the story begins with the flock of geese living together in a tree. Okay, so now let's see the story. So what are some of the things your parents and teacher tell you to do on time? What your parents told you to do? Your parents and your teacher, they tell you to do your homework, to wake up early in the morning and go to school. Okay, so get up in the morning, do the homework, pack your school bag. Okay, so always we should obey our parents or teacher. Okay, so now let's see the story. Okay, what happened when you did not do as they asked you to do? Okay, deep in the forest stood a very tall tree. Okay, there is a tall tree in the forest. Its leafy branches spread out like strong arms. It was a tree, branches spread out with strong arms. That is a leafy tree. Okay. This tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. Okay. The tree was a home of the bird. That is geese. Okay. So the meaning of the geese is geese are larger and have longer neck and legs than the duck. Okay, a large white bird that is like a duck but bigger. Okay, geese are kept on farm for their meat and egg. Okay, and I will tell you the meaning of creeper. Okay, creeper means a plant that grows up trees or walls or along the ground. Okay, for example, we can see like watermelon, strawberry, pumpkin and sweet potatoes. Okay, so the meaning of creeper is this. Okay, so they fell safe there. One of the geese was a wise old bird. Among all the bird, there was a old bird. There is wise bird. Okay, he noticed a small creeper at the foot of the tree. What the wise bird noticed? He noticed a creeper on the tree. Okay, he spoke to the others bird about it, and he spoke to the another bird. Okay, do you see that creeper? And wise bird asked, do you see that creeper on the tree? He said to them, let us destroy, let's remove that tree from the from the tree. Okay, let's remove the creepy from the tree. Okay, why must we destroy? What the bird said? The geese said, why we should destroy? Asked the geese in surprise. Okay, it is so small. They said it was so tiny and small. Why should we destroy? They said to wise bird. Okay, what harm can it do? What they said? What harm this creeper plant can do to us? They say that. My friends, all birds say, replied the wise all bird. Okay, that little creeper will soon grow. As it creeps up this tree, it will become thick and strong. What the all bird said, though now it is small, but it will grow and grow, and it will become bigger and it will be strong. So let's destroy now. Then they are not listening to the wise bird. Okay, so now let's see what happened. What of that? They asked the geese. Okay, what harm can a creeper do to us? So they don't believe that what the old bird said to them. So they are thinking that it will not harm anything. Okay, so don't you see, the old voice said. Okay, replied the wise bird. With the help of the creeper, it will be possible for someone to climb this tree. A hunter can come and kill us all. What the old bird said to the geese, it will be possible for someone who will come for hunting, they can kill us because it is easy to climb with a creeper, they said on the trees. Okay, so they listen to the old bird. Let's see the next para. Well, there is no hurry, they reply. The creeper is very small. It could be a pity to destroy it now. What the geese, they said? No, it was no need to destroy, they said. The creeper is so tiny and so small. I feel so pity, they said. It will not destroy them. They don't want to destroy the creeper plant, okay? So destroy the creeper while it is still young. The old bird advised. What the old bird advised to them? Let's destroy the creeper plant while it is still young. Now it is tender and you can cut it easily. Later it will become hard and you will not be able to cut it, they said. The old wise bird said, later it will become harder and harder, so it will be not possible to cut the creeper plant. Well, we will see, they said. We will see, answered the bird. But they did not destroy the creeper. And they don't listen the all wise bird. Okay, they forgot the wise all wise bird's advice. As the creeper grow, it will become windy its way up the tree. Stronger and stronger it became until it was so strong as a thick roof. So stronger and stronger it became. Now the creeper plant grow and it's become thick roof. Okay, so it was difficult to cut now. Okay, so one morning when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. What happened now? One morning the geese, they were going to search for food and suddenly the hunter came to the forest. Okay, now let's see what the hunter did. Okay, so this is where the wild geese live. The hunter found, oh, is it? This is where the geese found, he said himself. Okay, when they come back in the evening, I shall catch them. And he was wondering, when the geese came in this forest, when they will climb on the top, when they will fly over to the tree, I will catch them. He was thinking, the hunter was thinking. Okay, so the hunter climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper. He got to the top, and what he did, let's see now. The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper, because creeper now it's not a tiny, because the creeper grow and it's become thick and strong. Okay, so he got to the top, so he climbed in this way. Okay, you can see the picture also, right? So now let's see the next para. Spread his net there. So what the hunter did, he spread the net over the tree. Okay, then he climbed down and went away. Then he came down and he went to home. Okay, in the evening the geese returned home. So the geese and all, they returned home again after searching the food. Okay, so they did not notice the net. What they did, they did not notice at all the net was there, over there. Okay, as they flew onto the tree, they were trapped. Okay, what happened now? When they came after searching the food, they flew. Okay, they flew and it was trapped. Okay, they struggled hard to get out but could not. They want to escape from the trap. Trap means, you can see over the picture here, trap. How? Trap means net. Okay, they were trapped on the net. Okay, so they struggled hard to get out but could not. Help, help, cried the geese. Okay, we are caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do? So they want to escape from the trap net, but they could not escape, and their asking for the help. Okay, can you see the picture? They are trapped with the net. Okay, so now let's see the next para. Don't make a fuss now, said the wise old bird. What the wise old bird said now? Don't tell me now, I can help you, he said. Long ago I told you to destroy the creeper, but you did not. What the old but wise bird said? I told you long back ago to destroy the creeper plant, but you don't listen to me. See now what happened to you all, he said to geese. Okay, now see what has happened. So now let's see what has happened to them. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and kill us all. What the old wise bird said? Tomorrow morning the hunter will be coming. Okay, the hunter will come and kill of us. The wise old bird said. We are foolish. They said that themselves they are foolish. Kept the wept the birds. So they are crying. The birds were crying. Okay. We are very sorry. We did not listen to you. They ask for and they are asking sorry for the wise old bird. Please tell us what to do, and they are asking for the help again and again. What shall they will do now? Okay, so then listen carefully. Again the old wise bird said, listen carefully what I am going to say to you. When the hunter comes, you must all pretend to be dead. When the hunter comes, the hunter will be coming next morning, so they are deciding and they are pretending to be dead. Okay, just lie still, so they should pretend like a dead. Okay, the hunter will not want dead bird. The hunter wants only a live bird, not a dead bird. Okay, he will throw us to the ground. Then what the old bird said, because the hunter, he don't want the dead birds, but he want a live bird, so he will be thrown to you all, you see. So it will then be easy for him to climb down, collect the dead birds and take. Okay, so he will throw all the dead birds and he will be moving. Okay, now let's see next. Can you see the picture? The hunter came and they are pretending and they flew away. Okay, now let's see again. It is more interesting. Them home. Okay, they reached their home. Okay, when the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and flew away. What they are deciding? They are deciding and they are pretending to be dead. And when the hunter came and threw away one by one, then when they finished, when the hunter finished throwing everyone, then let's flew away. They are deciding in this way. Okay, so in the morning the hunter came to the tree and climbed up. What the hunter did, he climbed to the tree and he found the geese was dead. He thought geese was dead. Okay, but he looked at the geese in the net. He saw every geese is dead, so they are all dead. He muttered to himself. So he was calling himself, murmuring. He threw them out of the net one by one. So he threw every geese one by one. So they pretend to be dead. Okay, the bird lay still until the last one had been thrown down. So they are just waiting to be pretend when the last been thrown down. Okay, then what they did? They all at once they got up, flapped their wings and flew away. They all flew away. Okay, the hunter was taken by surprise, and he was surprised because he thought that every geese were dead. But from the top of the tree, he was all the geese flew away. So at the last, what he realized and surprised, from the top he was looking for the geese and every geese were flew away. Oh, they are making me foolish. Oh, He was just thinking over and over. Okay, so this story was written by Shiv Kumar, adapted from story from Panchatandra, A Wise Old Bard. Okay, so that's all for today. So this is the story. And also lastly, I will tell you the moral of the story is the story of flying together teaches us great lesson about listening to our older as they give wise advice and how working together can help overcome anything. Okay, so always we should respect our parents and teacher. Okay, we should not do any work instead of asking our older. So same thing in this story, it happens. See, the all wise birds say to them, and they did not cut the creeper. Okay, so if they cut creeper when it was tiny, the creeper was tiny in the beginning, and they did not cut, and they did not realize anything, and it happens in a bigger and dangerous in life. So we should always follow and respect our parents. Okay, that's all for today, and I'll give you question answer in the WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.